How many nested for loops have you written this week? 2? 3?
Python's itertools module already solved those loops. Cleaner, lazier, faster.
Ay majas.
Episode 35 Itertools Deep Dive. Chain, islice, product, combinations, groupby, cycle, repeat. By the end, you'll never write certain loops again.
Let's go.
Chain glues iterables together.
No copying. No creating a new list.
You have 3 separate lists. Chain of A, B, C iterates all 3 as one. It's lazy. Nothing is built until you iterate. Chain.from_iterable takes a list of lists.
Same result. One call. Flattens one level.
Use it whenever you'd concatenate just to loop. Islice is lazy slicing for any iterator. Normal slicing builds a new list. Islice doesn't. It yields items one at a time. Islice of iterable start, stop, step. Works on generators. Works on files. Works on anything iterable. Take the first 10 lines of a log file.
Islice of file, 10, no loading the whole file.
That's the real power. It works where slicing can't.
Product replaces nested for loops.
Nested loops for a grid, 4 lines of code.
Product of XS, YS, 1 line.
Every combination of items from both sequences. That's the Cartesian product. Product also has repeat. Product of range 2, repeat equals 3. Every possible combination of 3 coin flips.
8 combinations. 1 line. No nesting.
Combinations and permutations, combinatorics in 1 line. Combinations of items are every group of our items, no repeats, order doesn't matter. Permutations of items are same but order matters. Choosing 3 players from a squad of 10.
Combinations of squad, 3.
Arranging them on a podium.
Permutations of squad, 3.
No manual nesting. No index arithmetic. Let's build something live. A grid search, testing every combo of hyperparameters. Learning rates and batch sizes. The nested loop version 2 for loops.
Now watch the product version.
Product of learning rates and batch sizes.
1 loop, same output.
Add a 3rd parameter, just add it to product. No extra nesting. No indentación creep.
That's the real win.
Quick 30-second favor before we keep going. If product just killed your nested loops, this channel is for you. 1 subscribe helps this reach more Python devs.
Tap it. 2 seconds.
Okay, groupby, cycle, repeat, and the pipeline. Groupby groups consecutive items by a key. The critical word is consecutive.
Sort your data by the key first. Always.
Groupby of sorted data, key equals get category. It yields key group pairs. Loop through the pairs. Convert each group to a list.
That's your grouped dict. No default dict needed.
Skip the sort and groupby silently gives wrong results. Cycle and repeat are infinite iterators.
They never stop, so always use them with islice or zip.
Cycle repeats a sequence forever. Alternating row colors, cycle of white and gray. Repeat yields the same value n times or forever. Pairing a constant with a sequence.
Zip of data, repeat of label n.
No separate counter.
No zip-longest hacks.
Which itertools function for which loop problem.
Gluing multiple iterables to loop over once chain. Lazy first n from any iterator, islice. All combinations of multiple sequences, product.
Unordered groups of our items, combinations. Ordered arrangements of our items, permutations.
Grouping sorted data by key, groupby.
Repeating a pattern forever, cycle. Same value n times alongside a sequence, repeat. For loop that's just concatenation, always chain. Common itertools mistakes. Mistake 1, groupby without sorting first. It only groups consecutive identical keys.
Unsorted data gives you wrong groups silently.
Mistake 2, consuming a generator twice. Itertools functions return iterators, not lists. Loop through once, it's gone. Call list on it if you need it multiple times. Mistake 3, infinite cycle with no islice.
Cycle loops forever. Wrap it. Always.
Mini project, a data processing pipeline. 3 CSV files from different sources. Step 1, chain them into one stream. Step 2, islice the first 100 rows. Step 3, sort then groupby category.
Step 4, count each group with counter.
1 pipeline for itertools tools. 0 extra lists. Your challenge. You have a list of students and subjects. Step 1, use product to generate all student-subject pairs. Step 2, use combinations for study group options. Step 3, use groupby to group by subject. Bonus, use cycle to assign round-robin study slots.
Paste your solution in the comments.
I reply to every single one. Let's recap. Chain, glue iterables, no copy. Islice, lazy slicing for any iterator. Product, Cartesian product, kills nested loops. Combinations and permutations, combinatorics, one line. Groupby, group sorted data by key. Cycle and repeat, infinite iterators always wrap them. Next episode, string formatting. F-strings, format specs, templates, and alignment. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you tomorrow.
Itertools unlocked.
The loops Python already solved for you. Now you know which one to reach for. Subscribe for the next episode. Drop your pipeline in the comments. Amahas. See you in episode 36.